already learned that space occupied by an object is called as volume. If the object is hollow or the interior is empty, then the capacity of that container will be the volume. And in the last video we have seen volume of cube and cuboid. Volume of cube is L cube, volume of cuboid is length into breadth into height. And also we have seen that when you arrange rectangular sheet of paper one above the other, we will be getting a cuboid shape. In the same way, if you arrange circular, say a coin or a circle, if you arrange one above the other, we will be getting a cylinder. And we know that cylinder has got a curved surface as well as two plane surfaces, two plane circular bases, one at the top, other at the bottom, and the radius of that circular base will be the radius of the cylinder, and the line segment joining two centers of the circular base will give you height of the cylinder. Now, volume of the cylinder, we know that volume of any solid object, the formula is base area into height. Here the base is of circular in shape, or it has got circular base. So base area is area of circle. So we can write area of circle into height, and area of circle is pi r square, where r is the radius of the circle, into h. So volume of the cylinder is pi r square h, where r is the radius of the cylinder and h is the height of the cylinder. So this is the formula to find out volume of cylinder. Volume of cylinder is pi r square h. Pi can take the value 22 by 7 or 3.14. Now let's take some examples. The circumference of base of a cylindrical vessel is 132 centimeter. The circumference of base of a cylindrical vessel. So circumference formula, circumference base is of circle shape. So circumference of the circle, we know it is 2 pi r. So they have given 2 pi r as 132 centimeter and the height is 25 centimeter. Both are in centimeter. How many liters of water can it hold? So capacity of an object or the capacity of the container, that is called as volume. So here we need to find volume of cylinder because they have given cylindrical vessel. So volume of cylinder is equal to pi r square h. Instead of r we have 2 pi r. So first we need to find out r. So we have 2 pi r is equal to 132. R will be 132 divided by 2 pi. R is equal to, when you simplify this, we have 132 divided by 2 into 22, that 7 will go to the numerator, and when you simplify this we can get, will get R as 21 centimeter. So the radius of the cylinder R is 21 centimeter. Now we can substitute in this formula. Volume of the cylinder is 22 by 7 into 21 square into h is 25. So when you simplify this, we'll be getting 34,650 centimeter cube. But the question is, how many liters of water can it hold? So when you convert to the liters, it is 34.650 liters. So the next problem, the inner diameter of cylindrical wooden pipe is 24 centimeter. So inner diameter R1 is 24 centimeter. D1. So R1 will be 12 centimeter. Radius is half of diameter. So here this inner diameter, it is 12 centimeter. Again, outer diameter is 28 centimeter. We will take as D2 as 28 centimeter. R2 will be half of D2, that will be 14 centimeter. So outer radius is 14 and inner radius is 12. Again, length of the pipe is 35 centimeter. That means height is 35 centimeter. We need to find mass of the pipe if 1 centimeter cube of wood has a mass of 0.6 grams. So first we will find volume. So volume of wood used is equal to volume of wood used is equal to volume of wood used is equal to outer volume minus inner volume, because only this part has the wood. So outer volume minus inner volume, outer volume minus inner volume, and outer volume we will write pi r2 square h, and inner volume is pi r1 square h. So to make the calculation easy, we can write as pi and h we can take outside, r2 square minus r1 square, which is equal to 22 by 7 into height is 35 into r2 is 14 square minus 12 square. This you can cancel. So 22 into 5, 110 into 196 minus 144. When you do, you will get 5720 centimeter cube. So this is the volume of the wood used. But they have asked us what is the mass of the wood. So they have given mass of 1 centimeter cube of wood. They have given as mass of 1 centimeter cube of wood is equal to 0.6 gram. So what will be the mass of 5720 centimeter cube of wood? So mass of, you have to multiply with 0.6, which is equal to 3432 grams. If you want to convert in kilogram, divide by 1000. So it is 3.432 kg. Next question. A soft drink is available in 2 packs. One is a tin with rectangular base. You can see here the rectangular base, and the length is given as 5 centimeter. Width, this is the width is 4 centimeter, and the height is 15 centimeter. So it is a rectangular can with length 5 centimeter, width 4 centimeter, and height is 15 centimeter. Now also they have given one more can, a plastic cylinder with circular base. So a cylindrical can with circular base of diameter 7 centimeter. That means diameter is 7 centimeter. So radius will be 7 by 2 centimeter or 3.5 centimeter. And height of this can is 10 centimeter. H is 10 centimeter. Now we need to find out which container has greater capacity and by how much. So first, since it is of rectangular, the base is of rectangle, we need to find out volume of cuboid, and we know volume of cuboid is length into breadth into height. So which is equal to 5 into 4 into 15, which is equal to 300 centimeter cube. Again, volume of cylinder is equal to pi r square h. So which is equal to pi r square h means 22 by 7 into 7 by 2 the whole square into height is 10. We will be getting 385 centimeter cube. Now we can see that the cylindrical can has got greater capacity. It can hold more juice or whatever it is. So the volume of the cylinder is more than volume of cuboid. And one more question is there, which container has greater capacity and by how much? So volume of this plastic container, that is cylindrical container, has got more capacity. So it has greater capacity by, we need to subtract. So container, plastic container has greater capacity by 385 minus 300, which is equal to 85 centimeter cube. So thank you for watching my video.